The Great Crypto Exchange Showdown, Coinbase versus Binance. Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of acronyms? BTC, ETH, ADA, the world of cryptocurrency can be a whirlwind for newbies. But fear not, crypto comrades. Today we're diving into the deep end of exchange platforms, specifically the two titans, Coinbase and Binance. So, which one reigns supreme? Buckle up, because we're about to break down the crypto coliseum and crown the champion for you. Newbie navigation, ease of use. Imagine this, you're crypto curious, but your knowledge of blockchain is limited to a hazy recollection of that documentary you watched on Netflix. This is where Coinbase shines. Its interface is sleek, user-friendly, and walks you through the buying process like a crypto Sherpa. Think of it as a brightly lit department store. Everything is clearly labeled and easy to find. You can buy popular coins with a few clicks, and Coinbase even offers educational resources to level up your crypto IQ. Binance, on the other hand, is more like a bustling marketplace. It's got a wider variety of exotic cryptocurrencies, along with more complex trading options. This might leave a fresh-faced crypto investor feeling like a lone tourist in a bustling Asian metropolis, overwhelmed by the sheer number of choices. Going pro, fees and features. Now, let's say you're a seasoned crypto connoisseur. You've memorized the difference between altcoins and stablecoins, and you can spot a potential moonshot a mile away. This is where Binance starts to flex its muscles. Transaction fees on Binance are significantly lower compared to Coinbase, especially if you're a frequent flyer. It also offers a wider range of trading tools, charts, and technical analysis options, basically, everything a crypto samurai needs to conquer the market. Coinbase does have its own advanced platform, Coinbase Pro, but it requires a separate login and isn't quite as intuitive as Binance. Security showdown, keeping your crypto safe. Let's face it, security is paramount in the Wild West of crypto. Both Coinbase and Binance are considered reputable exchanges, but there are some subtle differences. Coinbase is a U.S.-regulated company, which means it adheres to stricter compliance standards. They also hold a significant portion of user funds and offline storage, making them a harder target for hackers. Binance, on the other hand, operates globally and regulations can vary depending on the jurisdiction. While they've implemented robust security measures, they have faced some regulatory hurdles in the past. The verdict: it depends on your crypto crusade. So, which exchange wins the crown? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Coinbase is the perfect launchpad for beginners. It's user-friendly, secure, and offers a great learning experience. Binance, however, caters to the crypto gladiators. It boasts lower fees, advanced features, and a wider range of coins for the taking. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your experience level and trading goals. Do your research, consider your risk tolerance, and choose the exchange that best equips you for your crypto journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.